I'm Cassie from Faodail Creation, and I'm going to talk to you about the walking foot. I post videos every single Wednesday, and usually I am screaming to the rooftops on how awesome my Baby Lock Soprano is. This video, however, is very universal, so stick around because most walking feet attach in the same way. So let's get over. So I have 2 layers of quite thick minky blanket type material, and I am going to sew these 2 seams together with my regular foot, not my walking foot, just a regular foot, because I want you to see the difference between using a walking foot and using a regular foot, and how it's going to help you make your project go much easier. So right now I have my regular foot J on, and I'm going to run my minky fabric through the sewing machine and we'll see how that goes. So it glides it through, but you're going to see how much easier it's going to be when we get our walking foot on. So this is what the walking foot looks like, and really don't be intimidated by it. It's really not as scary as it looks. And if you can see here, this is where you have some top feed dogs. So underneath your machine you have feed dogs that grab the fabric, the material, and with this foot it gives you a second set of feed dogs. So not only is it grabbing the fabric from the bottom, it's grabbing the fabric from the top as well. So it's basically grabbing both layers at the same time, at the same speed, and it's making your projects much easier to work with. So you're going to use this walking foot if you're a quilter, because you've got 3 layers of fabric, and it just makes it much easier to drag all of them fabrics through when you use a walking foot. It also helps when you're using slippery materials like satins or silks. It helps just to pull that material through much better as well. And also if you're using a vinyl, it helps to grab the top layer as well as the bottom layer. So how do we put the walking foot on? We are going to have to unscrew this screw here and take the shank off for the regular foot, because the walking foot comes with its own shank. So another thing that's a little bit different with a walking foot is that we're going to be using this screw bar right here, because the walking foot comes with an attachment that allows the feed dogs to move. So you're going to have to latch this little bit here onto the screw bar. So you're going to get your walking foot, and you're going to make sure that this plastic thing is going through this top part here where the screw is, and you're going to also hook it onto the shank. So you've got the plastic bit that's going up and down to make the walking foot go up and down, and it's going on that screw part, and it also needs to latch on to the shank. And then you're going to screw this part here just to secure everything. Just to give you some different views here, so this is the shank part all secured with the screw, and this is the part here where the part gets secured on this screw bit here. So now you're ready to use your walking foot. So now we have the walking foot attached. Let's see the difference. It does make a little bit of noise, but that's normal. And it's just, the tension is much better. You're just going to find that it's just much easier especially with a woolly, minky fabric, to use your walking foot. You're going to have less stress. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. Leave me a comment below. If you've enjoyed it, also hit the like button. And if you want to see further videos like this, I post every single Wednesday. So hit that subscribe button right now, and I'll see you next week. Bye.